presence. Just bask in it. Just rest in it. I'm very careful with the transition deliberately. You know, worship is like flying a plane. You have to learn to land safely. That's what I'm trying to do. Leading worship is like flying a plane. You've got to be careful. Because people are having encounters. This is the year. This is the year. Your holy presence. This is my daily bread. This is my daily bread. You are my daily bread. You are my daily bread. You are my daily bread. Your very word, your very word, spoken. Honey, there is no one, my darling, there is no one, Jesus. You deserve the glory. Lord, we lift you. You deserve the glory. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Oh, there is no one else like you. For